Hello, welcome back. It's your girl DeevaMor. In today's video, I'm sharing my everything shower. Let's cut to the chase. First, we are going to set up the mood with some fresh flowers and some candle. Next, I'm taking care of my nails by giving them a nice moisturizing treatment, keeping them neatly trimmed and shaped. Then I'm going to apply some nail polish with a base and top coat. I finally dry them using an LED light for a long-lasting finish. My nails are looking nice and dried. Now it's time for our dental hygiene. I'm applying this clay mask to deeply cleanse my skin, unclog pores, absorb excess oil, and improve my skin texture. This might not be perfect if you have a dry skin like me. It wasn't the best choice, I gotta say. Next, I'm applying some collagen mask for my under eyes and my lips to keep them hydrated. While the mask is drying on my face, I quickly move to my feet using an electric file to exfoliate them. This helps remove dead skin cells, leaving my feet feeling soft and smooth. By the way, I got this electric file on Amazon. is shower time. I like to dry brush because it helps exfoliate dead skin cells, improve circulation, and promote lymphatic drainage, leaving my skin smooth and radiant.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So love, this video coming to an end. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Until next time, be the best version of yourself. I love you guys so much. Au revoir mes amours.